Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to convert your PSOL to Solana and Phantom Wallet. But keep in mind, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. Now, with that out of the way, let's get started. So if you are using Phantom Wallet and you see PSOL, that actually stands for Phantom Staked Solana. It's basically a wrapped or staked version of Sol or Solana that earns rewards and can be used in DeFi. So converting PSOL back to SOL just means unwrapping it into normal spendable Solana. And to do this, you want to open your Phantom wallet, go to your token list, then from the list, you want to search for your PSOL. So for example, this is the one. What we can do here is you want to determine first your PSOL and then press swap right over here, swap button. And from here, you want to set the from to your PSOL and to Solana. So let's, all right, there we go. So again, you want to make sure that you receive Solana and at the top is your PSOL. Then from here, just simply enter the amount you want to convert, review the network fee, and tap to confirm. That's about it. Within seconds, your PSOL will turn back into regular Solana. And that's it. Now you know how to convert PSOL to Solana in Phantom Wallet in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.